did I do with that ring?
That doesn't work well. I swear to God, I think proximity to children makes it worse.
My nieces and nephews are around at time just.
Wish.
Oh, really?
I'm just gonna slide it off dramatically. And then I'm just gonna position my hand a little bit different, like that. Can you see?
Want to go center, recap, a little center. Very beige. You see the difference between the two? Because remember, every time you
Place them right here. Is that good?
yeah, this is crazy.
You having a droopy drawer situation? You having a droopy drawer situation?
You were so tiny.
Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.